Adaptation in plants and animals. Group members. What is adaptation? Adaptation is a process by which an animal or plant species become fitted to its environment. It is the result of natural selections acting upon heritable variation. What is habitat? Habitats are the natural environments of plants, animals, and other organisms. Organisms are adapted to survive under the food, water, shelter, and space conditions of their natural habitats. Terrestrial habitat. A terrestrial habitat is a habitat that is found predominantly on land. Terrestrial habitats are spread out across a large range of environment such as deserts, forests, farms, caves, grasslands, shorelines, and wetlands. Terrestrial plants and animals. A terrestrial plant is a plant that grows on in or farmland. Other types of plants are aquatic, living in water, epiphytic, living on trees, lithophytic, living in or rocks. Terrestrial animals that live predominantly or entirely on land as compared with aquatic animals which live predominantly or entirely in the water, or amphibians which rely on a combination of aquatic and terrestrial habitats. Examples: plants, rose trees; animals, goat, lion. Plants in tropical forest. The tropical forest The tropical rainforest contains more species of plants than any other biome. Orchids, kapok trees, banana trees, rubber trees, bamboo trees, cassava trees, avocado trees. Animals come in various colors which act as a camouflage to protect them from their predators. Plants in desert. Plants developing in desert areas are referred to as extrophytites, example cactus, ananas, etc. Via mechanisms to avoid water loss or to store water resources, these plants adapted to survive in a dry habitat. Desert plants tend to look very different from plants native to other regions. These are often swollen, spiny, and have tiny leaves that are really bright green. Their strange appearance is a result of their remarkable adaptations to the challenges of desert climate. Plant in cold region. Adaptations: deciduous plants handle the lack of water by shedding their leaves, which tend to evaporate water into air. During cold winter months, most deciduous plants drop their leaves and go dormant. Plants may hold on to dead leaves for insulation or use deep snow like a blanket to protect against the cold. Aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat whose made of survival is in water are known as aquatic habitats. The habitats of plants and animals which live in water are said to live in aquatic habitats. Ocean, ponds, lakes, and rivers are examples of aquatic habitat. If the water is fresh water, then it is called freshwater habitat. Aquatic plants and animals. Aquatic plants are plants that have adapted to living in aquatic environments. An aquatic animal is an animal, whether invertebrate a vertebrate that lives in water for most or all of its lifetime. Many insects, such as mosquitoes, mayflies, dragonflies, and caddisflies, have aquatic larvae with winged adults. Floating plants. Plants such as duckweed, mosquito, fern, water hyacinth, and watermeal are free floating, submerged floating leafed. These plants are anchored by roots to the bottom of the pond, but their leaves and flowers grow to and float on the water surface. Submerged plants. Submerged aquatic vegetation are plants that are completely under the water and typically have a root system in the bottom sediment. It is a great plant for ponds with excessive nutrients because it uses up a large amount of nutrients and provides food and hiding or for fish and other organisms. Thank you.